Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Firmly press each caster into the base until you hear a click. Next, insert the gas lift into the base. Then place the cover over the gas lift. Attach the mechanism using the included screws. Fasten each screw in an alternating cross pattern as shown here. Connect the armrest to the backrest. Connect the armrest to the seat cushion. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift.